Hey guys, alright, today we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries. I've decided to use matcha to color some of them for the flavor as well. Here I'm just showing you the stuff that you'll need. So the first thing I showed you were the long cute skewers. Then these are just different types of sprinkles you can use. I just brought out a whole bunch of things and I didn't end up using all of them. Here's a gel, it's the green color. It's just an option that you can use if you don't have the matcha powder. Here I'm just showing you guys some tweezers. That's for holding any little pieces of any pearls, so it just makes it easier for you to place it. I'm using an organic matcha powder, and that's another sprinkler dust that I didn't end up using. So just put your white chocolate in a bowl and place it in the microwave and melt it in 30-second intervals. Each time you take it out, just make sure you stir it really well. Once you stirred it really well, put it back in the microwave and keep going in intervals. Yeah. So here, in the meantime, I'm just drying my strawberries. I gave them a good wash. Drying them thoroughly because when water interacts with chocolate, it will harden the chocolate. Now we don't want that, so just make sure you dry underneath the stems of the strawberries. Next, we're going to put in the skewers into each strawberry to make it easier for dipping. That way when you're dipping your strawberries in the chocolate, the strawberry won't fall off or fall into it, or any piece of the strawberry won't get caught in like the stems or anything like that. So here I am, I just brought up the chocolate after melting in the microwave. This is the consistency I'm looking for, but there was a little piece in there, so I just had to keep stirring so that it can melt. Now I'm dipping the strawberry in the chocolate. So I'll show you two different ways of how you can dip the strawberry. Some people prefer this method where they hold the skewer and dip it literally into the chocolate. But I ended up just holding the strawberry in one of my hands and then using the spoon to bring the chocolate over the strawberry. That is what naturally came to me. I just followed whatever my hands were doing. So you just have to have the sprinkles prepared in advance because you want to make sure you decorate the strawberry when the chocolate is still wet. And if you just dip all of the chocolates before you choose to decorate, then the chocolate might end up drying, and then you would have missed your opportunity to decorate the entire strawberry if that is the design you're looking for. So this is the method that I was talking about earlier. I just found it to be a bit faster, kind of. I mean, I don't know which one was faster. I wasn't really counting. But yeah, I really liked how it looked with the white dust and the gold dust. I found that was really beautiful. So once you've dipped all the strawberries in the white chocolate, you're going to need to bring the matcha powder into the chocolate. So here I used about 2 teaspoons. I just started off with half a teaspoon. I didn't fill this one up, but in the end I ended up making up for it. So I just started by a little bit at a time, and then just wanted to see how it was gonna look. I wasn't really sure about this. It was my first time doing this, so I decided to put in half a teaspoon at a time and stir it. Keep stirring so that the little powder chunks kind of dissolve. And then just keep going until your desired look or your desired color. So once again, you're just going to grab your strawberries and dip them into the matcha white chocolate. I really liked how the color turned out. This is what I was looking for. I had this in mind. I was thinking of a nice pastel-y green color. And it's really nice and convenient that the matcha is a natural coloring agent, so it really just makes it that much more healthier. It's not really healthy, but it makes you feel good. So once you've finished dipping all of your chocolate, you can decorate it how you like. This is how mine turned out. It's not the best, but I really liked how it turned out and it tasted amazing. You guys should try it. Let me know if you do.